You might remember me, right? I'm King Cyrus. I kinda lost my phone, so I'm using my tablet. This is not my tablet. It's someone else. Anyways, I'm just gonna say this is my second account that I'm gonna be in, like almost every day, because I think I just feel tired. My phone is missing, so that's. But I just wanna say I'm gonna be uploading short videos, also funny moments. So I hope you guys are happy. This is my second account. Hello. The other people, yeah. Uh, so this must be a medicine that I have, but it's kind of broken. You can see. Just look at that. I can do. Yeah, that was like an exploding impression. So, guys, I think you guys can see I'm literally looking right there. Right there. So, yeah, and then, yeah, nice. So, if you guys like all my shorts and videos, and no, I'm saying enjoy, not like it. So I'm gonna be sometimes uploading cute videos or something. And yes, I'm right here. This flexing, and just look at what I just did. A little torture them. I like torture them. This one, sorry, bro. Yeah, I destroyed that. Sorry. But this is gonna be a 2 minute video, so bye, and King was the lion out.